Right, today is pipe delivery day, so need some rope from up here. Where is it? Some rigging line. There it is. Now we need that. It's pretty cold this morning. Ground's all frozen, so I'm giving these a bit of a charge and a bit of a boost before I try it. Nice new batteries in it, so should start anyway, but I thought might as well give it a bit of a boost just in case, because it's very cold, like I say. So got two batteries, 24 volts, so I've got to do one at a time. I'll give them 10 minutes each or something, give a little boost, and we'll fire this old beast up. Look at it. So got to take that up to the top and unload the lorry with it today. Got it fired up the other day and moved it up here, so I know it's going to work. So get it fired up and do the long drive up the track. Right, see if we can get this old beast fired up then. Certainly cold. It'll go in a minute. You'll see. Let's try a bit of throttle maybe. No, maybe not. There she goes. Trying. There it goes. There we go, she's running. Okay, I'm up by the top gate. It was a bit of a climb getting up here, blew the cobwebs out of it anyway. It needs a bit of hydraulic oil. One of the tracks wasn't as strong as the other one, so it's a bit low on hydraulic oil, so I'm going to go down and get some oil, fill her up, wait for the delivery, unload it, and then drive her back down again. The old beast managed to climb about 250 feet. A lot of black smoke come out of it initially until it warmed up. But yeah, go down, get some hydraulic oil, bring it up in the car, and then wait for the delivery. managed to get it down here. How about that? Success. Excellent. Digger problem though. I had to do that all with one track not working. So I had one track freewheeling and the other track driving down the hill. So it was a bit of a disaster, but it's down here, it's here, it's great. Lots of pipe ready to do the hydroelectric, so I'm very happy. So I'm gonna have to try and get that down there, so we can pull it back up the hill to unravel it. Got a pipe, got a few scuffs, a little scuff there, it's only light, little one there, a little bit there, but to be honest, considering the tools I had and how I did it, I'm pretty happy. Couldn't have gone too much better. The digger could have worked better, but other than that, you know, it went alright. They're here. That's the main thing, and I can maneuver them around now with a rope and a car and stuff, and the digger, and yeah, easy now. So that's the pipe unloaded, so soon we'll be pulling that into the woodland. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.